Another way you know that you have oil burning is when you take this intake off, you'll have oil in the intake. Last time we took the intake off, we did have oil in the intake. I didn't really think much of it, but I'm assuming that this went bad or one of the hoses went bad. I mean, this sounds the same as the other one. But we're gonna send it, we're gonna replace all of it right now. The car burns oil, the car burns oil. So, first thing we wanna do is take off the air filter, take off the cowls, take off all this plastic stuff. You're gonna need, I believe, an 8mm. Then I'm gonna take off the intake. There are normally 2 little torque screws here that hold this on, but I took mine off, so mine doesn't have that. Then we have 2 screws here. They're 10mm. Where's my 10mm?